Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, a golden spice that's been a part of my family's kitchen for ages. You probably already guessed it, it's turmeric. Did you know that turmeric can be a game changer for your health? It's like a golden spice packed with benefits. This vibrant orange root is not just for flavor. It's highly praised for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, studies suggest that it can rival some common medications for inflammation and pain. Imagine reducing pain from arthritis just by adding a sprinkle of turmeric to your meals. But there's more. Turmeric is rich in curcumin, which is like a superhero for your brain. Studies show that curcumin helps create new brain cells and improves memory. Feeling a little forgetful lately? Sip on some turmeric tea, and you might just find yourself feeling better and remembering things more clearly. That's not all. Turmeric may also support your heart health by improving the lining of your blood vessels. A healthy heart is vital for overall health, and a simple addition like turmeric can make a big difference. Turmeric also has amazing benefits for your skin. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to a natural glow, because turmeric is full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help with acne scars, skin brightening, and evening out skin tone. Feeling excited to give turmeric a try? I know you are. And here's the best part. There are endless ways to use it. You can add it to smoothies, golden milk, or even face masks. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. But before you go all in, let me share a little secret. Turmeric has a way of staining things a vibrant yellow. So if you're not into turmeric lattes or yellow smoothies, you can still enjoy its benefits in capsule form. It's a convenient way to get your daily dose without the mess. What's your favorite way to use turmeric? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Your comments motivate us to keep bringing you the best content. So keep commenting, and let's continue this conversation. Thank you for watching.